Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust graphic settings in CarX Street. If you're noticing lags or low FPS while playing CarX Street, then you can easily adjust the graphic settings. First of all, launch open your CarX Street game on your device, and once you're inside this free roam or the racing page, go ahead and tap on the pause button at the top left corner and click on Settings from the menu. Once you're inside the Settings menu, go to Graphics from the top of the screen and under Graphics, choose your preferred quality. You'll see options such as graphic quality, resolution, etc. Under graphic quality, go ahead and increase your graphic quality by dragging the slider. If you keep it to the low, then this is best for smooth performance on older device. If you drag it to medium, that is 2 or 3, this will be balanced between visuals and performance. If you want best visuals that may reduce FPS on weaker devices, you can select the higher optimization option. Now, you can also adjust additional settings such as resolution according to your preference. Go ahead and drag it and select it in your desired area. You can also go ahead and increase or decrease the shadow quality. Lowering the shadow quality can improve FPS. You can also turn on and off the motion blur feature if you want to adjust the graphic settings further. And after having these buttons tweaked, you'll be able to adjust your graphic quality for CarX Street. Now you can get back to the game and continue. You'll be able to notice the graphic quality changed immediately. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.